Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you a live demonstration how to install the VirtualBox. So the first thing you have to do is to download the VirtualBox installer. Okay, so Oracle VirtualBox download. Okay, here you go. Windows host. Yeah. Okay, so the size is about 167 meg, the version 7.2. Okay. After that, you finish this open and then just perform the installation. Go to the download folder. Yeah, wait, bit slow. Okay, everyone. So here, yeah. So this is the installer. So what you need to do is just double click to start the installation. The installation is very straightforward because the VirtualBox is mostly compatible with any Windows laptop, or even you can also install on the other platform like Linux or the Mac. But I suggest for the Windows use the VirtualBox. Yeah? Okay, so this is the installer. Okay, there is a warning that need the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Yeah? Then please install and restart the installation of the Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah? Okay, click OK. Then yeah, so you need to download the 2019 Visual C++ redistributable. Yeah, so go to this again. After that, you search for the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 redistributable 64. Okay, yeah. Then install. If you have installed other software, then most likely you already have this. Okay, 64. Yeah. 2019. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, just download and install. I agree, then install. Okay, almost finished. Yeah, almost done. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay, finish, close. Then redo again the installation VirtualBox. Okay, in the welcome screen, click the next, accept the term agreement. Next, use the default selection, and then the location you can choose the other place if you want to create a custom folder, but I just use the default selection. Yeah. Okay, there is a warning, your network will be disconnected. Just accept. Yeah. Okay, missing dependency. You can install, configure this later. Okay, yeah. Okay, next, then ready to install. Okay. Okay, validating the installations, checking the hardware compatibility and so on. Copy the file, write the USB, writing the system registry, and then start the installation, copy the files. Okay, you notice the icon already created in the desktop. Yeah, almost done. Okay, so installation successful, and then start the Oracle VirtualBox, finished. Yeah. Okay, so the installations already completed. Now I'm going to download the pet store ISO and then create the virtual machines on the pet store ISO. But the initial part installation of the VirtualBox already completed.